Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. We're back at beautiful Lake McClure. Gonna try to stick some bass. We'll see you on the first one as always. Thanks for watching. Bye. Just hooked into one. Fighting nice. Nice spotted bass. Sweet. Let's get him in. Whoa, hey. Looking at the rocks ahead of me. I've seen a couple of fish flashing around towards the shoreline. Couldn't get bit on a square bill, but as soon as I threw my football head Cinco in, I got cracked pretty quickly. So got a nice little spot here. Let me get them unhooked. We'll see you guys in a moment. Bam! Oh yeah, this guy's fighting good. Yeah, nice spotted bass. Do the worm. What's a largemouth? Called it a spotted bass. Nice. Let's get it out the boat. It's bleeding. Let's get it unhooked. Bam! Yeah. Another nice largemouth here. Nothing special. Got him right on the side of the gill. Man, it is super windy. I gotta get this trolling motor before the back ends up swinging to the shore. Calm down, buddy. Alright. Just got this guy here right off of the rocks here. So the largemouth have been in the rocks. So have the spotted bass. Everything appears to be that I've been catching so far is closer to main lake points and big rocks and stuff. I haven't got nothing big. I tried throwing some top water, but this wind is just savage, and I don't have nothing like a double buzz or a, you know, something to really create enough noise on the top. So here we are at beautiful Lake McClure. Just got this largemouth bass here, right here. So we'll see you guys on the next fish. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. Bye. Oh, out here at McClure, just got this super dink. Crankbait in the rock wall is always a good way to get bass, but these aren't the one that we're after. See you on the next fish. Bam! Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. Really hope you enjoyed today's adventure. Bite was pretty tough. First day out on the lake for me in almost 2 weeks. And it's on a really cold front. There's a system moving in. It's only like 3 o'clock and I've got like maybe 7 or 8 fish. And I've got 5 keepers, maybe 9 pounds, 10 pounds max for my best 5. Hey, had a good day out on the lake, having fun. Hope you guys enjoyed today's show. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, and share. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. But let's show you guys 2 of the fish that I kept for you. Hope you guys are enjoying today's show. So we're having a good time. Haven't caught a lot of fish, but hey, any day out on the lake beats a day in the office, right? So thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. We're out here at Lake McClure having a good time. Again, I really appreciate it. And as always, we'll catch you on the next adventure. See you on the next one. Bye. All right, before we go, let's get these ladies back in the water. Wow.